So the meaning of a true friend. Now, a true friend is someone who is pretty much upfront and honest with you 100% of the time. If not 95% of the time, they will tell you, you know, what they think of you or what you're doing wrong. Now, not a lot of people will like it, but you know what? If you've got people around you and you tell them something they don't like it and they want to get upset with it, then you might just have to forget about them, because like, they're fake people. Only fake people can't handle the truth. Now, if you're around me, you need to be real, because I'm going to let you know. Now, I know a couple, and the girl said to the boyfriend, Jay Wise is the only person I trust out of all of your friends, because if you fall off, that means if you're not behaving, if you're not moving correct, if you're messing around, or if you lower your level, he's going to be the person to pull you back. He's going to let you know. So he's the person I only trust. When you're upfront and you're honest with people, they trust you more, even if what you say is offensive. Now, my friends know I can be offensive the way I talk, but they probably give me a pass, or you know, they give me a bye, because they know what I'm like, because I'm kind of innocent with it. You know, I don't go out my way to be evil or rude. That's just how I am. So if I can get away with talking some smack, because that's just how I am. You know, so a good friend and a true friend will always be upfront with their people, family, friends, whatever. They will always be upfront. Now, an enemy can come across as a friend. An enemy is someone who sees you doing something wrong, but they won't say anything to you. Now, obviously, I don't go around telling people that they're fat or anything. I don't think I've ever called anyone fat before. None of my friends are fat. But anyway, I wouldn't come across and I wouldn't say to someone that they're fat. But, you know, if your friend really believes you need to lose weight, and they're around you all the time, and you know that you're telling them, oh, like you're having problems and stuff, and they can't tell you that, you know, you need to go and lose weight, then they're not a good friend. Good friends tell you the truth, even if it's not something that you want to hear. Only an enemy wouldn't say anything. Only an enemy would sit there and do nothing, because some people don't want to tell you the truth about certain situations. Some people won't give you that push because they want to confine you. They want you to be at the same level as them. Some people's biggest fear is people surpassing them. But only people who think like that are people who don't have ambitions. Anyone who knows that the sky's the limit and they know themselves that they're going to be rich and successful and blah, 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 they don't care about what someone else is doing. They don't care if that person reaches success before them, because they know they're going to reach that success. And everyone's timeline is always different. I might become successful more than most of you lot faster, but doesn't mean that none of you lot are going to become successful. Some people just reach things much quicker. So true friends are always upfront with people. Now, since I've started this YouTube channel, I've got friends who I talk to quite often, so I know the patterns. So I know the patterns. I know how often my friends contact me and stuff. And I've got one particular friend, we were speaking quite often, and you know, I brought out this YouTube channel and it's been out for a few weeks now, and I haven't heard from this friend. So I always notice like irregular patterns. I always like notice when, like, you know, people, they don't contact me as often and stuff like that. So I noticed, you know, oh, you know, this person hasn't been contacting me as often. Okay, cool. That's just a mental note. I didn't say anything though, so just a mental note. So then afterwards, like, this person and I were talking kind of once or twice, 2-3 times, and I noticed that they didn't mention it. Like, how many friends do you, ask yourself this question, how many of your friends bring out YouTube channels? Hardly any. You probably don't know anyone that has a YouTube channel. And it's on my Facebook, this friend's on my Facebook page. So I was curious as to why this friend never brought it up. And the friend only brought it up once I mentioned something about the YouTube channel, and they said, oh, I've been watching your videos and stuff. Like, I would expect, if that's my friend, for them to call me up and say, yo, I've seen your YouTube channel, ha 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 ha, I'm laughing at you, or I like these points that you made. Like, some comment. I would expect some comment. I wouldn't expect one of my friends to be like a silent witness. I'm not saying they're jealous, but I just find that behavior a bit strange. I couldn't, like, imagine if one of my friends, right, becomes a rapper. He starts rapping, he's on YouTube, he's on Grand Daily or SBTV, and I'm watching his videos, and I'm watching a few of his videos, and I don't call him up to say, I've seen this, I like this, or I don't like this. I just say nothing. I'm a silent witness. I'm not saying that friend's an enemy, but I'm just saying, like, I find that behavior kind of strange. I just find it odd how someone could be observing me on Facebook and going to my YouTube channel and watching me, and, you know, they have nothing to say. They haven't called me up, because this friend, you know, we're quite close and stuff like that. So I just find it a bit strange as to why this person hasn't contacted me to say, I've seen this. Maybe it's innocent. Maybe I'm reading into it too much, but I don't know. I just find that behavior a bit odd. Now, I'm not saying that person's an enemy, but I'm just saying, though, like, you know, look out for things like that irregular behavior with some friends. So what you can get from this is a true friend is upfront. A true friend will, you know what? To tell you the truth and for you to better yourself, they'd rather upset you. They'd rather pee you off, and rather you two end the friendship rather than them just sit there and watch you fail. Because I'd rather fall out with any of my friends than just not say anything and watch them fail. That's what an enemy will do. Keep your friends close, keep your enemies even closer. If you like the video, subscribe. If you don't like the video, change your station.